Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the hardware acceleration in Google Chrome browser. So go to Google Chrome browser and press the three dots on top right corner of the screen and go to settings menu. On the left tab, select the system menu, and as you can see there is an option here for hardware acceleration. Use hardware acceleration when available. Currently it is on in my laptop, so if you want to turn it off, just press this button and press relaunch. Okay, the hardware acceleration is turned off now. If it is turned off in your browser, then you can select this button and press relaunch, and it will be turn on the hardware acceleration in your Google Chrome browser. So this is a very straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.